on, guys. Let's play hide and freak. I mean seek. You guys ready? Yeah. All right, you go first. Okay. 1, 2. We gotta hurry. Come.
Why is the door locked? Why are you touching me there?
My boss arrived at work in a brand new Lamborghini.
Wow, that's an amazing car.
If you work really hard, put all your hours in, and strive for excellence, I'll get another one next year.
Hey bro, watch this wrist on God.